All right, we are ready to roll. Hello and a very good evening to one and all. I'm Geeta Tucker, and it's my pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of eMobility Plus and First View Group to this power packed award ceremony of Eevee Manufacturing Week 2022. We all know that Eevee's ambition could create a market worth approximately 15 lakh crore by 2030, which means there's a huge market opportunity awaiting to boom. And the ball has been rolled already, with all the major vehicle manufacturers offering all electric vehicles in their lineup. After 2 years of COVID 19 setback, the market begins to grapple back to normalcy. Looking at these humongous opportunities, eMobility Plus is geared up again with the EV Manufacturing Week Awards 2022, a platform that brings all of us together to celebrate the contributions and achievements of all the leaders in the EV manufacturing industry who have achieved a milestone despite all odds. Well, a big round of applause to all the EV leaders here and the great audience who are in this industry contributing to the development. So, dear audience, it's time to sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and cheer for your industry peers. So, the countdown has begun now. Let us start the ceremony with our first set of awards that are Manufacturing Excellence. Could we have the slide, please? Well, for Manufacturing Excellence of the Year, the first category is Automation, Robotics, Battery Packs. So before I tell you who the winner is, let me give you a gist of their work.
हिमांशु दादा
नहीं रे मैं तो
तसे तुला भेटत
Hello, Mr. Himanshu. All right, so we'll take it ahead and let us know who the winner of this amazing category is. And the award goes to Gender Mark India Private Limited. Mr. Himanshu Jadhav, CEO and Director of the company, is here with us. Sir, kindly accept the award, and could we hear a few words from you? So you're on mute.
Yes. Thank you very much. I would like to really thank eMobility Plus for bestowing us with this prestigious award. I think it's only a testimony of the great teamwork that we have been doing over past several years now, especially in the EV world of trying to make from the 4 years back our first battery pack line now to becoming a standard and a chosen supplier for battery pack lines in the ever-growing EV market. So, and I think battery packs are a crucial and one of the most important factors in EV, and we are very proud that we have been able to deliver world-class battery pack lines to our customers. So thank you very much, and I accept this award on behalf of my entire team in India and South Africa.
Heartiest congratulations, Mr. Jadhav, on the very great win. Now, before we leave, we all know about talking about automation and robotics, quite an interesting topic and quite an interesting field. If I may say, like life-size robot Sophia, and she's a citizen of Saudi Arabia. Now, robots are doing quite a great work. So, if you were to build a robot, a life-size robot, what specifically would you use it for?
I think to replace our maids who clean our houses. No, I think jokes apart. I think a life-size robot in my opinion, you really don't need one, to be honest. That's my personal feeling, because we have enough people in India to do all the work which we can even think of doing. So, life-size robot is really not what I would like to have. It would kind of gives me the creeps actually.
Okay, all right. So, but I think the thought was very good, about the housemaid, the cleaning stuff, and then the ladies are going to be very happy with that. So, just in case, a wild thought, if you plan, do make it, and we really are going to buy that from
Sure, I
you.
hope no. Let's see.
Heartiest congratulations to you and the entire team for this great win. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thanks a lot.
All right, audience, let us move to the next category of awards, and that is the next category is Manufacturing Excellence of the Year Materials. As I may say, let me give you a few. Well, the company produces around 5 tons of synthetic graphite in a pilot plant, which will scale up to 40K tons by 2025 and 150K tons by 2030 from an Indian plant. And the award goes to And the award goes to Epsilon Advanced Material Private Limited. We have Mr. Vikram Handa, the managing director of the company, with us. So kindly accept the award and kindly give us a speech.
Thank you very much. I appreciate eMobility Plus recognizing our efforts in developing the material space. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of traction in India when it comes to the raw material supply chain, but a lot of focus has come in the last 6 months or so. I think going ahead, it's going to be an exciting sector. We are very focused on making India both an anode and cathode hub going ahead, and we see good opportunities in India becoming a global supplier to gigafactories and cell requirements globally. So thank you very much for this award, and really the team has worked very hard in the last 1 year, and the next year will be very challenging for us as we scale up our operations. But looking forward to it, and thank you very much once again.
Heartiest congratulations, Mr. Handa, on the very, very great win. Quite a very hardworking team and a proud moment indeed. Mr. Handa, being the only manufacturer of anode material in India is quite a great achievement for sure. So, what is the next in your checklist of achievements? So, this is one achievement you've achieved. So, what is the next checklist that you want to achieve, and what are you targeting next?
So we've been working on the anode segment for the last couple of years, and now we're commercially scaling it as well. So and as we interact with more and more customers, whether in India or outside India as well, we see requirements for cathode materials. So what we see ourselves doing next is becoming a cathode manufacturer as well, and we want to stay in this raw material space of giving, good battery materials to customers. And India's growth story is very, very strong, I believe. So we are not sitting on the fence and waiting for customers to come. We are scaling up operations because we know adoption is going to happen and these requirements are going to come. So our next foray is going to be into the cathode space in India.
That's going to be another achievement, I must say. So proud of Make in India event there by the company. Heartiest congratulations once again, and wish you have many more achievements.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Dear audience member, kindly pour in your congratulations Well, we have this amazing emojis. Come on, let's see some claps coming in from the audience for our great, great winners. Please start pouring in your notes, your congratulations, your cheers in the chat box. That's all. Our leaders of today, our winners of today, they really need that. All right, dear audience, let's move on to our next category of awards, and that is well, the next category is Manufacturing Excellence of the Year LCV. Let me take you through the gist now. Our winner is India's most powerful light commercial vehicle with industry leading load capacity of 688 kgs, ensuring more earnings and more savings. This EV has a powerful combination of highest battery power of 12.4 kWh and certified range of 151 km in a single charge. Designed uniquely in India from India, the company has 6 segment first innovation in three-wheeler cargo that are suited to deliver higher performance and longer life in the unpredictable Indian road and the weather conditions. Wow, I like that concept a lot. So time to see who our winner is, and the award goes to and the award goes to Euler Motors Private Limited. Do we have a representative or Mr. Gaurav from the company to kindly take away the awards? Do we have a representative from the company to kindly take away the awards? All right. I think they are trying to just log in as soon as we get Mr. Gaurav or a
Hi.
representative from Euler.
Hi, Geeta.
Yes, Pratika.
Hi, Geeta. They're facing technical problem,
right.
so which we are trying to resolve, and we'll have them on stage in some time. We can move on with our award announcements.
Absolutely, Pratika. Thank you so much for letting me know that. All right, dear audience, as soon as we get somebody from Euler Motors to give away the Oscar winning speech, we'll get them back on the screen. So now, time to move on to our next category. And the next category is Manufacturing Excellence of the Year Three-Wheeler. Well, the winning company is a pioneer in three-wheeler manufacturing of electric vehicles, focusing on the last mile connectivity for people and goods. Their products include both passenger and commercial three-wheelers, providing 2 different models in each segment. They have sold more than 50,000 electric vehicles till date and are the first one to get an ARAI approved three-wheeler in India. The company also customizes the vehicles based on customer requirements. They were the first one to get lithium-ion batteries in e-rickshaws, resolving the higher charging time and maintenance cost caused by the lead-acid batteries. Kudos to our winner, and the award goes to well, our winner is Kinetic Green Energy. Do we have Divya Raj, the Vice President, Head of Strategy and Corporate Finance, with us to take away the award? Yes, Pratika, do we
Hi,
have
Geeta. Yes, Mr. Divyaraj is again facing some technical problem. Our team is resolving it. Meanwhile, we can go ahead with our announcements and we'll have him back on stage.
Okay, I think it's a technical world, a lot of problems coming in from the virtual world out there, but never mind. We are going to have Devaraj back on the screen and that Oscar-worthy speech too. All right, let us move to our next category of awards, gentlemen, in the line of manufacturing excellence. Let us see the category. Well, the category is Manufacturing Excellence of the Year, Automation and Robotics. The company provides complete turnkey solutions for assembly lines. They have in-house engineering expertise on mechanical design, electrical and control engineers, lab view software developers. Well, as I said, the technical world is here. Well, the company has supplied battery packs and motor controller assembly lines through three major Indian EV manufacturers and have in-house engineering team to complete project from start to end and service support team. The company have developed in-house automated cell sorting machines, spot welding machines, etc. All right. So time to know which is this amazing company and the award goes to. And the award goes to Miss Protect Systems Private Limited. We have Miss Mansi with us. Miss Mansi, kindly say a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are very pleased and honored to receive this award. I would like to thank eMobility Plus, First View Media Ventures, and the presenting partners at Dama. Also, I would like to thank my lovely and hardworking colleagues for applying, giving us opportunity to take these awards. We at Robotics always trying our best to do improvisation in EV battery pack and EV product assembly equipment. We are very proud to say that we are making India company and always working hard to meet the requirements of SCGS customers. Also, I would like to thank our SCGS customers. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead.
Thank you so much, Miss Mansi. That was a great speech, and thanking each and everybody from your team. That's really amazing. Truly, truly worthy of it. Miss Mansi, kindly share your experience with us, like working under this great management, the great team. How the journey has been. So, just tell us something about your journey in the company.
Well, I would say that this environment in this company is very good and very deserving environment for the freshers and for experienced people also. We are work closely in group and our individually also. Company inspires us to do our best and do the research in doing design and designing machines and to meet the requirements of customers. Thank you.
Well, that was really good. I think you have written your speech well in advance. You already written it. Okay, this is what I'm going to say. Well, that's great to know. And happy working with the entire management. Indeed, a great and very hardworking team there. Truly deserving award. Thank you so much. Okay, dear audience members, I'm not seeing those notes coming in. Please pour in the congratulatory notes, your Please go on and put those emojis too. It's time to move to our next category. And the next category is Supplier of the Year, Design and Modeling Materials. The company introduces itself as a trading company which closely works with the automotive industry and represents the supplier in India for design, modeling, and prototyping. They are exclusive suppliers of Cold Design Technology Germany in India. They are a small partnership company that have been in business for the past 25 years. The team comprises engineers, MBAs, doctorates, top automobile companies, EV companies, startups, OEMs, and design studios, industrial design institutes are their clients. And the award goes to. And the award goes to Zalar Enterprises. Do we have Ms. Radhika Kapoor, CEO of the company, with us to take away the award? Team, could we have kindly check if we have Ms. Radhika Kapoor with us or any other representative from the company? Hello, team, could we check? Do we have Ms. Radhika Kapoor? All right. I think, again, she's going to take a little while to join. She'll be back with us in some time. Ms. Radhika, we're going to wait for you to come back and join us on the screen. Meanwhile, I think we can go ahead with our next category of awards. Well, the next category is Manufacturing Excellence of the Year Powertrain Three-Wheeler. Our winning company carries the major market share in the Indian three-wheeler EV segment. It has dispatched more than 6,000 powertrain kits to major two-wheeler OEMs like Piaggio, Omega Seiki, and Itrio. The company has a manufacturing capacity of 5,000 per annum and provides the one-stop solution for electric vehicles, as it includes complete parts in the kit. As now they have supplied 6,000 plus kits in India. It has dedicated infrastructure for research and development, vehicle integration, and prototyping production line. Amazing, amazing work by the company, I must say. And let us see who the award goes to. And the winner is. And the award goes to Virya Mobility. Do we have Mr. Sachin, the Senior Executive Business Development of the company, to kindly share a few words? Do we have Mr. Sachin or any other representative from the company? Yes, Mr. Sachin.
Yes.
Please.
Hello, Ms. Geeta. Very thank you so much
Mr.
for
Sachin, I'm
nominating.
not able to see you. Sorry to interrupt. I'm not able to see you. Can you please switch on the video? Yeah, perfect.
Yes, yes. Hi. Thank you so much for nominating and awarding us for the best manufacturing excellence of the year, Powertrain. So basically, we are from Mini Group. So we are the one who developed Reva car way back in 2001. So we have a complete excellence knowledge, carrying 30 years of knowledge in EV domain, and we are delivering the same to all the customers. We are just transferring to all the customers. Many customers like Piaggio, Etrio, Electrics. So by this, I can say we are carrying the majority share in three-wheeler segment. So thank you once again for awarding us. Look forward for you.
Well, heartiest congratulations, Mr. Sachin, on the very, very great win. I'm sure a very, very hard-working team indeed, and quite a script, I must say, out there. Mr. Sachin, kindly tell us how was your dealing with the entire pandemic situation? Now, you see, you already done a great job even during the pandemic. So, how did you meet your client requirements during that time? And achieve such a
See,
great target?
yes, actually, the inquiries were shooting up like anything in the last couple of years, if you ask me. So the inquiries are going up, but we are unable to deliver because of the supply chain issues. That is one of the major thing, along with the pandemic, what we are facing. So by this, like as of today, we are somewhat reachable and we are able to deliver to the customers. So not exactly 100%, we are just able to deliver just 60%. But the inquiries are going up and up like anything. So we are getting a lot of startups and a lot of OEMs are coming up with three-wheeler market.
Absolutely, I must say. Great. And keep inspiring the entire team as you do and achieving those targets. Quite an achievement, I must say, and many more to come. Thank you so much and heartiest congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Dear audience, can I have some thumbs up, some claps going on for All right, it's time to move on to our next category of awards. Well, it is Manufacturing Excellence of the Year Powertrain two-wheeler. The company is a specialist in electric motor design and manufacturing with substantial R&D and manufacturing operations in India. The company leverages Singapore's strong power electronics research base and India's extensive manufacturing ecosystem. Well, the company offers a range of DC motors and controllers, including brushless DC hub and inner rotor motors, as well as PMSMS. To meet the growing demands of India's EV industry, the company has established one of India's first BLDC hub motor manufacturing plant is Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. And let us see who this amazing winner is. And the award goes to and the award goes to
Thank you.
I like that.
See, our entire team, he's been here. Okay, so so this award is goes to the dedication of our entire team. So who is all being present here. Okay, so it is all because of our hard work. So for the past 2 years, we were being hardly working. Okay, after the COVID issues, we have recovered from that. So now we started pitching our to all the OEMs. We pretty much started getting a number of orders pretty much in India. So in the hub motor category, EMF is the number one people who can do customization and who have localized the entire number of parts of the 45 out of 43 bill of material components we have been localized here. So it is a proud moment for the entire team. I dedicate this award to the entire team who have present here. Okay, thank you all.
I must say, Miss Sima Sankri, you're quite an amazing leader, and the entire team is at the back supporting you and cheering for you. And I'm sure they're all waiting for that special party in the evening that is coming on their way.
Yes, of course.
I am saying that loud, so they remember they have to take a party from you.
Yes. It's already been going on here. Okay.
That's great. All right, heartiest congratulations, Ms. Sankri. And before you leave, just a small question. There is just tell us about that one major challenge that you have faced, in the manufacturing EV component industry, and
It is
how
not only the
you
one single
handle it.
challenge. We have faced n number of challenges. Okay, hiring the talent, better talent is a difficult for us. Okay, since in Coimbatore it is said to be the technology hub for motor industry, but for the hub motor manufacturing, hiring the talent was a very difficult job for us. Okay, the second thing is getting the interest of the supplier to invest in the components is another difficult task. Okay, pretty much this has been resolved. As I told, we have out of the 45 bill of material components, now 43 materials have been localized. So the other two is the only said to be the magnet, the other said to be the stator. So we were importing those two alone. Very soon it will be localized apart from the magnet. So these and then getting the interest for the local manufacturing, competing with the Chinese is another difficult part. Okay, so once the government is giving support to the component manufacturer, this will also be resolved soon. So as a component manufacturer, we have faced a number of issues, but we have overcoming all the hurdles one by one.
Absolutely. I hope the hurdles are overcome very, very soon and we get you back in our next set of awards too. And heartiest congratulations to the entire team once again. You all deserve this. Congratulations to the entire team. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, that was great, Hugh. Great to hear. Amazing, amazing applause from the great team behind the great leader. Moving on to our next awards, and the category is well, the category is Manufacturing Excellence of the Year Battery. The company, incorporated in the year 2019, is built on years of experience of the core promoters and senior management team in the arena of e-mobility solutions. The company aims to be the leader in the industry in terms of safety and quality in the cause of promoting portable green energy. In spite of continuous lockdown and COVID-19 restrictions in the last 2 years, they have successfully dispatched 15,000 plus battery packs to their clients pan India. And well, let us see who the winner is. Well, the winner is Ranjan's Leon Energy Private Limited. We have Mr. Kaustav Kumbalkar, Assistant Manager of the company, to accept the award. Mr. Kaustav, could we have you on the screen, please?
Yeah. Hi, everyone.
Yes, Mr. Kaustav, we can see you.
Yeah, thank you everyone for nominating us, and it's a privilege to receive this award. Thank you, Mobility and First View, for organizing such a wonderful event. Thank you on behalf of my company.
Thank you so much. Heartiest congratulations to the entire team of Ranjan's Leon Energy Private Limited for having this great achievement. Mr. Costa, before you leave, just tell us how difficult was it to manage the entire operations? And how did you look up to have a customer satisfaction during that time?
Right. Well, looking at the COVID-19 restrictions, it was quite a hectic job to organize all the things. But looking at the logistics and operational point of view, our team has been successfully able to deliver all the numbers which you have said right now. And at the end of customers' point of view, our customers are very much happy with whatever kilowatt hour or range we can critically say in the EV market. They are very much happy with us, and we are looking forward to work more and more hard work, and the number should get multiplied 10 times this year.
Sure, I'm sure it will. Heartiest congratulations
Yeah.
once again to the entire team on this great win. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you, Geeta.
Moving on to our next category of awards. Could we have the slide, please? All right, the next category is Technology Excellence of the Year. Well, we have reached to next set of awards, technology and excellence, innovation excellence. And the first category is design and modeling three-wheeler. Now, the company is Make in India powertrain manufacturing for e-mobility space for varied categories and application. Within 1 year of founding, they have already crossed 0.15 million USD revenue. Its current capacity is to produce 5,000 units per month. Wow. Okay. It is also expanding pan India channel partners, 24/7 service support. They are most adaptable and affordable design train solutions and have sustainable products with extended warranty provisions. Great work, I must say. Now let us see who this great company is and the winner is. And the winner is Suyo Manufacturing Private Limited. May I request Mr. Tripurari Kumar, the director of the company, to kindly accept the award? Do we have Mr. Kumar with us? Hello, team. Do we have Mr. Kumar or any other representative from the company to accept the award?
Hi, Geeta. I think Mr. Tripurari won't be able to accept the award. So we can thank on behalf of him and move ahead with the award nominations.
All right, so we accept the award on his behalf, and I will make a speech from his end. I would like to dedicate this award to his very, very hardworking team. They have made it, and due to the very hardworking team, the company has achieved so much. Heartiest congratulations to the entire team of Suyo Manufacturing Private Limited. Hope to see Mr. Kumar in our next set of awards too. Thank you, Pratika. All right, team, let us move to our next category of technology excellence. Well, the next category is technology excellence of the year, design and modeling for two-wheeler. As I always do, let me give you a hint about the winning company. The company's products are high-powered electric two-wheeler with more than 72 volts capacity. The company remains completely focused and work only on high-powered, high-quality electric vehicles. The upcoming models are being built with steady and rigid design with highest ground clearance. Well, the company has built the suitable products for smart cities, IoT, CAN bus protocol, Bluetooth connectivity, safety aspects, and many more. They are targeting to complete 100% Make in India products. And let us see who this great company is. And the award goes to... It's NDS Eco Motors Private Limited. We have Ms. Deepika Reddy, director of the company, with us to accept the award. Ms. Deepika, could we have you on the screen, please? Ms. Reddy, could you please unmute yourself? Team, could you please check? I can see Ms. Deepika, but Ms. Deepika, can you unmute yourself? Meanwhile, audience, please put in your notes in the chat box. You have to cheer our great leaders today, the great winners. Quite an inspiration for all of us. to achieve the targets that we set and overachieve them too. Clappings, yes, I need more thumbs up and claps coming in from the audience. So team, is everything okay? Is it sorted with Ms. Deepika? Because I can see her. Could you please connect with her? Hello, Ms. Deepika. Okay, team, I think still we sort out, what the exact issue is out there, the connectivity or any other issue from her. And I think we can move on to our next category of awards. And we'll have Ms. Deepika back on the screen. Let us have our next category. All right, moving to our next category, most innovative EV of the year. Our winner is a next-gen mobility solution provider. The company's bus division made an entry into the low-floor city bus market by launching its first product, City Life. The bus fleet is powered by Cummins 5.9-liter engine, automatic transmission, and boosted of many unique features like UNI, floor design, structure, independent front suspension, inverted portal axles, and all-disc brakes, to name a few. It was the first design center in the bus division in India to be recognized by Department of Scientific and Industrial Research. Kudos to our winner and the company. So let us see who the winner is, and the award goes to and the award goes to none other than JBM Auto Limited. Now, may I request Mr. Nishant Arya, the Vice Chairman of the company, to kindly come on the screen. Mr. Arya, you might have got an invite from our team. Kindly accept it to be on the screen.
Hello. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Yes. I'm humbled to have accepted this award on behalf of my team, which has done all the hard work to be awarded the most innovative electric vehicle of the year. And definitely, we are producing world-class products. And the idea is to see that how we make in India and make for the world, where technology is the way of life, and how we are driving value with our technology on an ongoing basis and reinventing ourselves as we keep going along. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Arya. Heartiest congratulations to you and the entire team for the very, very well-deserved win. Now, before you leave, I know you're a very busy man, and it's a very busy schedule that you have. But there is a point where we all need some me time for ourselves. So, what does Mr. Arya like to do in his me time? This is what I needed to understand.
No, I'm a big follower of Formula One racing, and I think
Wow.
Formula One racing really gives me a perspective of how to strike perfect balance with speed in personal and professional life. So definitely, that's what motivates and inspires me. How you have to be consistently performing, never-endingly, and it's all teamwork.
Absolutely. So, have you tried driving those cars?
Yeah, I have been on Formula One tracks. I have been inside the F1 vehicles as well. Yeah.
Brilliant. Now, claps for you and that passion of yours. Hope to see you on those races too someday and winning an award there. And heartiest congratulations once again to the entire company for the very great win. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, team, ladies and gentlemen, Now, let's move on to our next category. But before that, guys, please, I need those emojis. I need those claps. I need those thumbs ups. I need some great notes coming in for our leaders because they are reading it. So inspire them. And, since they are inspiring you, you inspire them back, you cheer them, make them feel good about the celebration. With this, yeah, I can see that. Thank you so much. Great. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our next category of awards, and that is the next category is the new generation EV of the year, autonomous vehicles. The company's new generation EV is the autonomous buggy. The drive-by-wire system comprises auto braking and a navigating feature equipped with advanced lidar and vision technologies. The car has an onboard computer which is equipped with state-of-art AI and deep learning engine to detect objects, lanes, and curve for navigation. A rigorous blend of continuous innovation, implementation, and test cycles ensures a mature autonomous buggy technology. Now, India's first autonomous vehicle, that is intelligent navigation system for people and vehicles, quite an amazing work by our company out there, and I'm very amazed about this great vehicle. So let us see who this amazing winner is. And the award goes to Virya Mobility. May I request Mr. Sachin, Executive Business Development, to kindly come back on the screen.
Hi, thank you so much again for awarding this new generation EV of the year autonomous vehicle. In fact, we are the one who developed India's first autonomous vehicle made in India. So this was developed way back in 1999 and 2001. So we are the one who first developed and introducing the first vehicle. In fact, we have along with it, we have automatic towing mission where it has a capacity of up to 5 tons. So this is our spectacular team who are working on it and delivering the most innovative solution to the market. So I wish my complete team all the best and to take more number of such type of awards in the futures. I completely dedicate my this award to my team.
Very well said, Mr. Sachin out there. Truly, truly deserving autonomous vehicle. Now that's really amazing. Just tell us a little bit about this vehicle. Little bit more about this vehicle.
Sure. This completely works, and I mean, in respect to talk about the technical, this completely works with lidar system, where it has its own path following, lane detection, pedestrian detection, vehicle detection, road surface detection, and what I can say, traffic detection, any obstacles. So it completely works without interruption of the human. So it completely follows the line. In fact, like we have two solutions. One is for the humans, as I told earlier. One is for the humans, and one other one is for the material handling equipments. So this completely works without any intervention of driver.
Quite a futuristic
Yes.
technology. I wish to see so many more vehicles like that coming on the Indian road. I don't know when's that going to happen, but yes, the fingers crossed. We want to see more vehicles like that, more technology coming in. All right, thank you so much, and heartiest congratulations to the entire team once again.
Thank you.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to move to last category of the evening. Well, the category is new generation EV of the year, three-wheeler. For our winning company, Time. Well, for our winning company, time represents speed, agility, and capable leadership. The company is backed by years of capability in creating precision engineering solutions and has become synonymous in India's sustainability success. The company is fully committed to all electric future, keeping range anxiety at bay. Its Rage Plus Rapid EVs consist of Rapid X 6000 fast charging batteries based on a flagship InstaCharge technology innovated by Log9 Materials, which in turn enables the vehicles to get fully charged within 35 minutes, thereby making them the fastest charging three-wheelers available in India. Currently, a very great work by the company, and let us see who this amazing company is. And the award goes and the award goes to Omega Seats. Do we have Mr. Uday Narang with us?
Yeah, good afternoon, Gita. This is Vivek Dhawan. Unfortunately, Mr. Uday could not join, so I'm heading the sales, marketing, and service function for Omega Seek Mobility. And thanks to eMobility Plus for honoring us with this award, and very pleased to accept it on behalf of entire team at Omega Seek Mobility. And as you rightly mentioned, we actually had put in our blood and sweat to manufacture these products, right? So we have designed, developed, and manufactured everything in house. So that has been actually a 3-year long journey. But today we are the only company in the three-wheeler cargo space which actually gives three solutions to the customers, right? And one which you already mentioned, the fastest charging EV, 35 minutes. And then we are also commercializing our first swapping solution by an end of this month, right? And we already have a high range but a slow charging solution which actually gives around 120 kilometer of range. So I think we are the only company in three-wheeler cargo space to offer these three variants to the customers, and it solves a lot of problems for them also. And today is also an important day. We are actually being recognized by eMobility Plus. Thanks a lot. And in addition to that, I think we are opening up our first international dealership also today. So just very happy to share that our L5 cargos would be the first EVs to go to Nepal, L5 on the cargo space. So this is in addition to our JVs with other countries like Africa and Bangladesh, but we are actually making a start to Nepal. And just a couple of more seconds. So as supply chain and technology is also changing hands, so we are also working on the backward integration of manufacturing batteries and powertrains in house. So that would be something we would be doing in the coming year, and hopefully that will solve a lot of issues on the supply chain side also. So yeah, so thank you so much once again, and looking forward to have many more such awards in future, Gita. Thank you so much.
Well, that was Mr. Vivek Dhawan, Director, Marketing, Sales and Services of the company. Mr. Dhawan, unfortunately, we're not able to see you. Can you please switch on the video, if that's okay with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Now I can see you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Very, very great achievements by the company, I must say.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Vivek, if you were to create a special futuristic vehicle for our Indian roads, so what exactly would be there in your mind, and what kind of vehicle would you want to design?
Yeah, so ma'am, I think maybe I can articulate in terms of actually giving a solution to customers. So, we what we'd like to be actually give a complete solution in the cargo space, right? So that means a combination of four-wheeler, three-wheeler, and two-wheeler, right? So actually it solves a lot of problems for a customer. So that is one. And secondly, I think on the four-wheeler side, happy to announce that we will be the first company to bring in 3.5-ton payload trucks to India. So I think that would answer your question in terms of what is going to be an ideal EVs for the Indian good carrier space in next year. So we would be doing that this year. And then we will follow it up by a bit smaller payload category, which is 1.5 ton, and then we will go to the bigger payton category also, the 6.5 ton. But I think 3.5 ton payload category in four-wheeler space is going to revolutionize the the Indian EV space next year. Yeah.
Quite an amazing work the company is doing and foreseeing the future and already towards the futuristic path. Great going for the company. Heartiest congratulations to you, sir, on the very great win and the great team indeed out there. Many more to
Thanks.
come. Thank you so much.
Thanks for your encouragement. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All right, dear audience, I think we need to see some claps coming in out there and some positive notes for our winners. Okay, team, could you please connect with our winners who were not able to log in before? Can we please have them on the screen if they are back with us? Hello, Pratika. Team, could you please guide me if we have any more winners who were not able to log in before and are here with us? We would love to have them back on the screen and chat with them. Hello, team. Could we hear something from you?
Yes, I think Miss Deepika Reddy from NDS Eco Motor is there with us to accept the award. So, team.
Could we have Ms. Deepika back on the screen with us? Ms. Deepika, kindly accept the invite that you have received.
Hi, Geeta. Am I audible?
Yes, Ms. Deepika, you are audible, but I'm not able to see you. Could you please record the
Sorry,
video?
I'm unable to access the camera over here.
Not an issue. We'd love to hear from you.
Sure, yeah. Good evening, and thank you so much to the entire e-mobility team for giving us this recognition.
Well, Ms. Deepika, we'd like to hear a little more from you.
Yes, so here we at NDS Eco Motors are into high-powered electric vehicles. So whereby our focus is that our vehicle should be people's first choice and not their alternate choice. So keeping this in mind, we've developed and focused into our upcoming models, whereby along with good performance, high speed, instant torque, and good range. We've also worked on ergonomics, ensuring proper riding comfort to the rider, all the safety aspects and parameters. And our upcoming models are also going to fulfill all the needs and requirements for both urban and rural market people. And our products are 100% made in India, and thus we are fulfilling the Atmanirbhar Bharat concept as well.
Quite amazing work, I must say, by the company out there. Not only this, thinking of a lot of more innovations to come on the way. Great work. Heartiest congratulations to the entire team, Ms. Deepika, on the
Thank you so much.
All right, Ms. Reddy, I would like to know that which is that one passion that you would like to follow in your personal life, apart from being an EV enthusiast. I know that you already are, but apart from that, in your personal life, what is that one passion you really want to go ahead with?
I think as a women entrepreneur in the auto industry, I see very few, women colleagues or women entrepreneurs here. So, and as EV being a new field, I really wish to come across many women colleagues.
Okay, so we know that we are on that path and the development is still on the way. we will achieve that since the Women Day is just finished. It was around the corner. And,
Yes.
we all celebrated the great day with a great thought that, it's going to be a lot. We are going to see a lot of women in this field now,
Right.
since we have so many support systems with us to take it further.
Belated Women's Day to you and all of your team members.
Same to you. And you are great and inspiration yourself for many women in there trying to be in this industry. Thank you so much, and heartiest congratulations on a very, very great win.
Thank you. Have a great time ahead.
Okay, team, do we have any other award winner that we missed and couldn't join us earlier? Yes, Pratika, do we have any other award winner that was not able to join in earlier due to any other reasons, technicals or time constraint? So could we have them on the screen?
I think Miss Radhika is there. So can we have Miss Radhika
Ms. Radhika, if you
on the
can hear us,
stage?
kindly accept the invite that you have received from the team.
I think Miss Radhika has joined from phone, so she may not be able to join in.
Ms. Radhika, if you can hear us, kindly accept the invitation that you have received. Can we just quickly check if we can have Ms. Radhika on the screen?
Geeta, Miss Radhika has joined from her mobile. If she can join from her system, that'll be great. We can have her in.
Ms. Radhika, would you like to join from your laptop? Sometimes these platforms do not support our mobile systems very efficiently. Till then, I think we can have those reactions coming in, and in fact, it was very great to listen to all these inspiring leaders out here and what they do in their personal life, what they do in their professional life, and how they are inspiring this industry. So probably next year we'll see a lot more winners coming in this, a lot more new categories, a lot more new futuristic technologies, and many, many EVs on the road. I'm really proud to see I have been seeing so many EVs on the Indian road now, and it makes me very proud to be associated with this industry. I'm sure all of you are too. So please, audience, kindly, can I see those claps? Can I see those emojis? Can I see those thumbs up? And can I have that lot of congratulatory notes pouring in the chat box? So, team, I'm not too sure if Ms. Radhika has
Miss
joined in.
Radhika, Pratika here. Are you able to? Oh, is it because the phone it won't accept? You won't be able.
Well, I think we'll have Ms. Radhika in our other promotions, and we'll hear it from her soon on our LinkedIn videos too. For now, we really would like to wrap up. Thank you so much, all the audience members out here who have attended the ceremony, who have inspired and cheered and had the celebration for their winners, for the industry peers. Thank you so much, everyone. Heartiest congratulations to all our winners and the great team that has made it happen. So, ladies and gentlemen, hope to see you all in our next events very, very soon. Till then, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you so much.